Hi all, coming to you from Narooma today, which is about 4.5, 5 hours south of Sydney, just continuing to follow that coastline down. As you can see, the beach and the town behind me, just a swimming watering hole just to the right of me. Another beautiful spot down the coastline, probably about 10,000 roughly population. Median price, interestingly enough, is only around about $550. And the rental gross yields are probably 4%. So if you're looking from an investment point of view, those numbers aren't too bad. It's quite an affordable price point and also a solid enough yield, especially in these times of low interest rates. So why is that compared to towns that we've been to that are up around 800, 900? Well, it's a little bit further from everything. So you're probably close to 3 hours to Canberra, and as I said, 4.5, 5 hours to Sydney. So just that proximity. I think the airport, Merrimbula, about half an hour. You can get on a plane to Merrimbula or to Sydney, but yeah, maybe just the lack of accessibility to this town is setting it back a little bit, and the ability to work locally. So just wanted to quickly talk to you about rent versus buying, and so many people are asking me, when is these price increases going to stall? So when you think about it, first home buyers especially look at the cost of renting versus buying. So if we were holding, say, a $600,000 mortgage at maybe 3%, we're paying about $18,000 of interest to the bank per year. So when we look at that, versus renting, we may be paying $500 a week in rent. That's about 25 grand a year that we're paying to the landlord. So paying an interest-only loan on a 600K mortgage, give or take, is actually more affordable than renting in a lot of cases. So until that discrepancy moves somewhat, we'll probably see house prices continue to rise. Obviously, that's just one indicator, but it's a reasonable indicator given that the interest rates are really low, and we've seen during the week that fixed rates are actually reducing down to 2.5% thereabouts, which is absolutely crazy. So there we have it. This is Narooma, and we're heading to Merrimbula next. So we'll chat to you soon.